everyone, today we're making seafood pasta. This recipe uses squid ink spaghetti, but any pasta will do. We also have frozen shrimp, frozen clam meat, cherry tomatoes, capers, and fresh basil and parsley. First, let's slice up 3 garlic cloves into thin slices. Then cut 2 dried Italian chilies in half. And then we'll cut up our cherry tomatoes in half. Add your pasta to a pot of heavily salted boiling water and cook for 2 minutes less than what the package says. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil into a pot on medium heat. Then add in your garlic and chilies, and capers. Stir them around to sweat them. Be sure not to burn them. After about a minute, add your tomatoes. Give them a stir. Add in about half a cup of stock. I use pork bone stock I use to make ramen broth. Give this video a like if you want to see a video on that. Then add in your clams and shrimp and bring to a light simmer. Roll up some basil and slice thinly. And add to your sauce. Simmer for about a minute. Take about half a cup of pasta water and add it to the sauce. This will thicken the sauce into a cream. After about another minute, add your pasta directly into the sauce. Stir to coat the pasta, and the pasta will finish cooking in the sauce for another 2 minutes. Then we're ready to plate our pasta. Add your pasta to a plate or bowl. Then add your shrimp, clams, and tomatoes. Top with fresh parsley and grate some fresh Parmesan. And there you have it, quick and easy in under 10 minutes. Like and subscribe for more videos to come.